If you have nothing wrong in your bone, depending on the type of impingement, depending on the type of the bone condition you may or may not have, then it's okay. But some people with, for example, osteoporosis, like weakness of the bone. Some people with arthritis, depending on the degree of the arthritis, then what we would consider as a flag means that we have to be careful when you're doing that kind of manipulation, but it's not also necessarily like you have to do that manipulation. But there is nothing wrong in that specifically.